Come back to the channel. So in this video we are going to do the frequency modulation using 8038. So the circuit diagram is like this, IC 8038. So here this is the auto generator of carrier at pin number 2 when the M of T is off. Okay, the remaining connections are, you can make it 8 and 7 short, and from here 22K and 4.7K to VCC. So here two VCC we are using. One is plus VCC and other is minus VCC. When you are using the plus VCC, so plus positive should be connected to this and the negative is grounded. When you are using the minus, the minus should be connected to this 10, 11, 12 and the positive is grounded. Okay, so the remaining connection 10K we should use according to this. Then M of T. Okay, this is what I told. You should switch on this later. First you should see the by switching off the M of T. So here these are the circuit arrangements. Okay, so these are the circuit arrangements. So we have made all the circuit arrangements properly, and we are using this plus VCC here, minus VCC here, one signal generator. Initially it will switch off, and I am using both CRO as well as DSO to show you. So once this, I will just switch on this. So here I kept it at dual, so I will just switch on this. So once I switch on this, so you can observe during the positive cycle maximum, during the negative cycle minimum. So you can observe positive and negative, positive maximum, negative minimum, and also you can vary this. You can vary, you can observe, vary this little and observe. And vary this, stop this, positive and negative, maximum for positive, minimum for negative. So how to calculate this is, you can take one complete cycle time, maximum time and minimum frequency you will get from here, and for this one complete cycle maximum and minimum you will get, time and frequency are inversely.